Okay, fuck it.
We got the phone.
Deja de payasear, Aurito. Deja de payasear.
Who's that? Is that?
Oh.
Freeze. Oh, it's Connor. Who's that? I feel bad. It doesn't matter if you didn't give it to me, Mom. But I'm giving it to someone. She's kind. Dude, I would say wow.
Sucks for her. Sucks for them.
I bet those girls don't even care. Oh, that's not I think.
Oh, that bully's it. Easy, I'm gonna come do that.
And I'll put cuddling with it. Yeah?
Obviously.
Oh, this is a good weather with a cobija on me.
Good weather.
Perfect
weather to vlog. Hell yeah.
Oh, hell yeah. I'm telling you, I'm not having a soccer game.
That goal is raining, and we were playing a goal. That touches the goal.
Yeah.
I'm not having no game tomorrow, huh?
Nah, probably not.
Mira, aquí ya se quitó casi.
Damn, it went from like,
¿Dices que es de ahí para allá?
Yeah.
Es donde está lo más oscuro, yo creo.
it's like all these black clouds.
Mira. Mira aquí el piso.
And then when it's raining hard, look.
There was no hell here.
What the hell? So like on the other side of Southgate there was hell and the other one no.
You can still do the job. It's pretty hard.
See, like it always
Let's make on myself because I haven't seen you.